So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Now as the scan's loading, for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD again. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and click on enter. And now you want to run both these scans in the background. And now for the third step, you want to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to find Windows Update, click on run. And now you want to wait for this to load. You want to go through all of this. So you want to go through all of this, and then you want to complete both the CMD scans. So then once you complete all three of these things, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.